elephant.
You go near Ellie.
No.
Come on, that's you.
Come on, Ellie. Come here. No.
Hi, Nanay. I'm Ellie the elephant.
Say hi,
Okay.
hi, tatay.
This is person named Ellie, and that's the animal named elephant. Okay?
Very
Let's go down.
good.
Ikaw ba ang tour guide?
Sige.
Are you the tour guide?
Yes. Kaya nga hawak kay Ellie.
Kung tingnan mo si Ezra ang likod.
Basta pa kayo. Naku. Hindi ko rin mo, Mari. Mamay, pa ako. Okay, we're here. Oh no!
What is that, Obel?
This is the seal.
O, lapit kayo sa seal picture. Ay, ano?
Oh, you go to the seal. Oh, everybody pose. I'm going to take a snapshot.
I mean,
Don't do that, baby.
ball. Okay, let's have some picture. Mami ako, mami, yung tour daw, kunyari.
Tour guide?
Tour guide? Ha?
Tour guide.
Easy.
Tour guide. Ako daw yung mga tour guide. Ako daw yung papaliwan.
My goodness. Your eyes is red na.
Paano yan? Di na yan pwede yung red eye reduction.
Paano ba itong snapshot? Marunong.
Parang camera siya.
Oo. Wala naman.
Okay, let's go na nila.
Okay. Proceed, tourist guide.
Ayaw.
Oopsie.
Where are we going to go?
Slowly.
Are we going to proceed to the safari?
Mama. At sinasabi namin, Kuya Akay, we can go here.
Di ba saan tayo nag-swimming?
Yes. And the water there is so very cold. Pasok ulit tayo.
Oh, very cold. Talagang sobrang lamig yan, ha? Very cold.
Very cold. Tapos,
Oh, look at the bear, oh.
there.
Bear.
What?
Black bear.
That is all of the animals that's only a stone.
Animals in the wilderness.
Ay, kanina! Baby! Mainit!
Naku, nakakangawit naman to.